Hello students, let us continue new topic Introduction to Trigonometry, Unit 8. Trigonometry. It is the study of relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle. It is used in engineering, physical science and distance of stars from the earth, etc. Trigonometric ratio. Right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. Side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. AB side adjacent to angle A. Side adjacent to angle A. And BC side, we say that side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A. And AB side adjacent to angle A. This is your second diagram. In triangle ABC, hypotenuse, angle B 90 degree, side opposite to angle C. This is your angle C. So we say that AB side is opposite to angle C. Side adjacent to angle C. Angle C is adjacent. So BC also say that side adjacent to angle C. Now different diagram. This is your triangle 90 degree. Let this angle be theta. Angle opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. This is your angle theta. So we say that this side is known as base and this another side is known as perpendicular side. This is your perpendicular, this is your base, this is your hypotenuse. Now base angle, let phi in this triangle angle this is also 90 degree and side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse, and this is your angle phi. So this side we say that base and another side is known as perpendicular. Similarly, this is your right angle triangle, angle theta. So this side will also be base and other side is known as perpendicular. These different diagrams of right angle triangle. Now we discuss trigonometric ratio. First we draw a right angle triangle ABC. Let angle theta. This is your angle theta. BC, we say that base, B for base, and AP is also, we say that perpendicular. We represent P for perpendicular, B for base, and angle opposite to 90 degree, that is side AC, is also known as hypotenuse, known as H for hypotenuse, P for perpendicular, B for base. Learn this rule by Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. In triangle ABC, this is your triangle ABC, we write sin theta. Formula of sin theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, P upon H. Value of P is AB. P4 perpendicular and perpendicular AB side. So we write AB upon hypotenuse AC. So we write AC, AB upon AC. Sin theta equal to P upon H is also equal to AB upon AC. Now cosec theta, H upon P. H upon P. H upon P. Value of H is AC upon value of P AB. AC upon AB. Now next angle T ratio cos theta B upon H. Cos theta B upon H. This is your base. This is your H. B for base, H for hypotenuse. So we write BC upon AC. BC upon AC. Sec theta H upon B. Sec theta H upon B. Now we write H upon B mean AC upon BC. AC upon BC. Now next tan theta P upon B. Tan theta P upon B. Perpendicular AB upon base BC. AB upon BC. Cot theta B upon P. Cot theta B upon P. Base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular mean BC upon AB. BC upon AB. When base angle is theta, then sin theta is equal to AB upon AC. Cosec theta equal to AC upon AB. Cos theta equal to BC upon AC. Sec theta equal to AC upon BC. Tan theta equal to AB upon BC. Cot theta equal to BC upon AB. Now next triangle. Let XYZ. Angle Y is 90 degree and XZ is hypotenuse. H4 hypotenuse and base angle is phi. So this is known as base. That is XY side. This is known as perpendicular. P4 perpendicular. Now sin phi P upon H. P upon H. Sin phi P upon H. Value of P is YZ upon XZ. Value of P YZ. Value of H XZ. And cosec phi hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cosec phi hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse XZ upon perpendicular. Perpendicular YZ. This is your YZ. So we write XZ upon YZ. Similarly, cos phi B upon H. Cos phi B upon H. Base upon hypotenuse. Base is XY upon XZ. Base upon hypotenuse. XY upon XZ. XY upon XZ. Sec phi H upon B. Sec phi. This is your base angle. Sec phi H upon B. Hypotenuse XZ upon base XY. XZ upon XY. Now tan phi perpendicular upon base. Tan phi perpendicular upon base. YZ upon XY. YZ upon XY perpendicular upon base. Now cot phi base upon perpendicular. Cot phi base upon perpendicular. Base is XY upon YZ. XY upon YZ. When angle phi base angle. If base angle is theta, so we write all T ratios. If base angle is phi, so we write all T ratios. Now learn this table and formula of T ratios. Thank you.